Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and as I read by the title, I'm doing another handbag haul. I'm such a girly girl. I love accessories, handbags, shoes, jewelry, scarves, sunglasses, like all that. I love to show y'all some new handbags. This one is super exciting because this is my first time getting this kind of handbag. I've never owned this brand before. Decided to add this handbag to my collection. Like, y'all know I collect handbags, so I literally love handbags. They're like my babies, my go-tos. I love collecting them. So yeah, I don't want to ramble too much, so without talking, let's get straight into this video. So I actually got this handbag during Christmas. So this is a Christmas gift of mine from my mommy, of course. Y'all know my mom is my best friend, but if you're old to my channel, y'all know me and my mother are like this. That's my bestie. So huge shout out for my mom for gifting me this handbag for Christmas. But let's get into the video. This is an unboxing, so everything is still in the box, like everything is still put together. So let's open it up. So here's the bag. And this is the receipt inside, so we're gonna get to that later. This is the bag, guys. It is still wrapped up. I literally haven't touched this since Christmas. Oh, y'all, look how beautiful. Y'all know houndstooth is my favorite print. It's either out of leopard print, cheetah, well, leopard and cheetah print is almost the same thing, but it's out of those two and houndstooth. And guys, like, this screams elegance. Like, houndstooth to me is just so classy. Like, anything houndstooth can literally make you look trashy to classy like that. Let me undo all the wrapping on here. So this is my first case Spade bag, and this is my first houndstooth bag. Like, I don't think I have a bag in houndstooth, so I don't think I have a handbag in this print. So not only this is my first case Spade, but it's my first houndstooth print. Now it is so much paper everywhere. So we got some more paper in the bag, and I'm just gonna take that out. Now I'm just gonna undo the paper on the strap. This is the bag all done and out of the wrapping paper, and guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Like, the print on it is everything, the size, the shape, like, this is beautiful. Let me give you some information that's on the receipt. So this is the Cruise medium tote, black multi. It was $119, so pretty good. Okay, so this is part of the Cruise collection. It is a tote, and what I like, so let's start with the outside. So on the outside, you do have this black lining all around the purse, so the handles are gonna be black. Right here underneath the bag. So the foots on the bag are gold. So at the front where it says K Spade New York, it does flip open. Right here you can store like your cards, or you know, if you want to keep something hidden, this is a good pocket because it goes really deep. It stops about right here. This is a good little hiding spot because a lot of people wouldn't think this actually opens. So this would be a good place for like a card holder or anything like that. You have another flap. So this, I'll probably put like my little change in here because it's not very deep at all. Like, it's literally from right here. So it's not much room. So this is good for like maybe coins or change or something like that. I do like how it has two pockets on the outside, so that already gives a lot of room. When you open the inside, show y'all how spacious it is. This bag is a medium bag, so it's not going to be super small, but it's not going to be super big either. You could definitely fit your wallet, purse, a little makeup bag, maybe a camera if you're a vlogger. You could fit all your needs in here for sure. If you want to carry like a little drink or a brush, that will fit. But to take a look inside, on this side where the Kate Spade is, you have a small little pocket right here, and this is a nice size. You could probably fit like lip gloss, a little makeup right here, so this is pretty good. Then on the other side, You have a zipper, and this pocket has a lot of room, so you could probably fit like anything in here, like any feminine products you could put right here. The bag does have a lot of room, and I love that all the detailing is gold. Even the detailing on the strap is still gold as well. I'm gonna stand up and wear the bag so y'all can see like how big it is compared to me. I am 5'5", 140 pounds, so yeah, I'm not that big, not that small, so yeah, it's a fairly nice size, and even when I put it across from me, it's still pretty cute. I don't think I'll wear it like this unless like I'm on vacation, then maybe, but yeah. I usually wouldn't wear a bag like this strapped across me. It's not my style. Bag does not zip across, it actually snaps. So you can see the snaps on the side. So yeah, it just snaps and there you go. If you don't want to open and close your bag 24/7, you can literally put your card right in this front flap, the magnetic snap. So yeah, there's no zippers for the front of the bag or inside. It's just a magnetic snap. A little information about the bag. It does says that the strap is 22 inches long and the bag is 8.5 inches tall, 3.5 inches wide, and the density is 5 inches. This is really it for the bag. As y'all see, it is a houndstooth, and this is part of the cruise collection, so I'll link all that in the description box below. Let me know how you guys like this bag. If y'all own any Kate Spades, let me know in the comment section below. I want to see, like, I'm just getting into my Kate Spade era. I've been loving them for a long time. It's just, I don't know, I've never went out to go buy a handbag, but I love them, and it's not something you see a lot of people wear often, so yeah, let me know about your Kate Spade bags in the comment section below. I would love to hear about them. And if you have this bag, let me know, girl. So pretty soon, in about 2 or 3 months, I'll be doing an updated review on this bag so y'all can see how it's holding up, what it's looking like, how I've worn it. So yeah, but if y'all want to see how I style this bag, make sure y'all follow me on my social medias. I'll have all that in the description box below. So that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. And turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I'm uploading another video. Yeah, that is it for today's handbag review. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time.